Very good morning. I am Rajneesh here. It is a matter of the pleasure that we are starting here with the reader book of the class 8. This is the new book. Watch carefully. This is the new book. Here I will take on the reader. Here I will start on the reader. Here my lecture is 20 class 8 literature reader as a boy Ruskin Bond. Here, this is the chapter first, and I will start here with the as a boy, Ruskin Bond. Here, before going to this poem, we must know maximum about the Ruskin Bond. Basically, the Ruskin Bond, born 1934, is an India author of a British origin and the living in the Mussoorie. He has written over the 500 short stories, novel, poem and the essay, including more than the 30 books for the children. He has a great love for the children also. Here's the work display. His love for nature, particularly mountains. He wrote his the first novel, The Room on a Roof, in the age of the 17th and won the John Lidwell Rams Prize for it. He has also given the Sahitya Akademi Award, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and the literary works include The Angry River, The Rain in the Mountains, and the Scene from the Writer Lives. Award-winning film has been based on his stories such as The Flight of the Pigeons and The Blue Umbrella. Means the best part of the Ruskin Bond, he has a great love. He has a great love for the English, especially for the children. And he is the very much celebrated, and you can say that he is the chief poet for India. And he is also a very good writer also. As a boy, I am starting here with. Have you ever watched a train rushing past? जरा आप अपने मेमोरी लेन में जाएं, पुराने समय में जाएं, go in your back side and think, have you seen any train? क्या कुछ ट्रेन आपने ऐसा देखा है जो इस ढंग से जा रही है, like the snaky way जा रही थी? And the moved excitedly to the passenger in a short poem from the collection of the poem called A Song of the Lost Friend. Actually, this is the poem as a boy. As a boy, this is the poem has been taken from a song of lost friend. Means a song of the lost friend is basically a collection. From there, as a boy has been taken. As a boy, I stood on the edge of the railway country. When I was writing, I was a boy. I stood on the edge. I was studying. I was studying on the edge of the river cutting. Railway cutting. There was a track on the railway where the tracks gets cut. There I was standing on edge. Outside the dark tunnel, my hand touching. And there was outside there was a very big dark tunnel and my hand touching, and my hand was about to touch it. The hot rays, because during that period there was no electric and the diesel train. The train propelled only by the coal and the steam engine. The hot rails waiting for them to tremble. Actually, when the train comes in and they go out, there was something like the tremble. Trembling means the wavy, something like the shivering. And at the coming of the noonday train, generally the timing of the train was there for a noonday, and the whistle of the engine hung on the forest silence. And when it whistles, pumps up, when the whistles alarms, that was the making attendance to the jungle, and it was breaking the silence of a forest. Actually, the one word is here, hung, H-U-N-G. Hung means, here the means of the hung is the painting. The word, the hung, has been used as a personification, and personification is nothing when the non-living things behave, like a living thing, that is called personification. Then out of the tunnel, green gold dragon. Then out of the train, when the train was on the move and when the train's head was getting entry into tunnel, a green gold dragon. Here the green gold dragon. Dragon is the means